Hot waxing kit usage. This DIY waxing kit is formulated to tackle the toughest hair, including short and coarse hair in small and delicate areas. It is ideal for waxing at face, brows, underarms or bikini areas. Skin-safe waxing strips. This Brazilian waxing kit is made using skin-safe ingredients including azulene, chamomile extract, Collophonium, Cera Alba, beeswax, and Brassica Napus. These skin-safe ingredients do not harm the skin or cause allergic reaction. Strip-free waxing. Unlike other waxes, Brazilian wax does not require fabric strips. Just apply a thick layer of this bikini wax evenly. Let it cool down for a few seconds and peel off to get a smooth, hairless skin. Softer skin. Waxing is not only essential for removing hair, but it also helps in removing the tan on your skin. Waxing on regular intervals will also help making your skin silky, soft and smooth to touch. Usage instructions. Do not wash, bathe or clean skin before waxing. Try waxing your arms only when hair growth is about half a centimeter or 1/4 of a centimeter. Top reviews from the United States. Great for brows. After several years of paying $10 per month for the lady at the nail salon to spend 2 minutes ripping off a few millimeters of hair, I decided I had enough and didn't want to waste that time and money anymore. I spent some time Googling how to wax your own eyebrows, and the general consensus seemed to be that using free-form hot wax is more effective than the strips. This had great reviews, so I took the plunge.